friends, welcome to back your YouTube channel Kids Club. Today we are going to color the turtle. Do you know turtle? Now I am going to tell you about turtle. Turtle can live in both water and land. It mostly found in river and pond. It has 4 legs and a long neck. It moves very slow. Turtles are omnivorous. It has a hard covering called a shell. Do you enjoy turtle? Good, keep watching and enjoy. Nice color. Very good. Nice color. Well done. Now it's over.